Hi, and welcome to the Proud Recruiters. I'm Junior, and today we're kicking off a series on how to create an impactful resume from start to finish. We will release a new episode each Monday at 5:21 p.m. that will discuss a new topic. If you have any questions, please feel free to send them to info@theproud.ca. Don't forget in the subject line to put resume questions, and we will feature your question in the discussion at the end of the video. Whether you're just starting out or looking to refine your resume, we've got you covered. Let's dive in. Our first tip is probably one of the more important tips. Keep your resume clean and simple. Avoid clutter and use professional font like Arial or Times New Roman. I know they're boring, they're standard, they're this or that, but you know what? They're effective. A clean layout is going to make it easier for employers to read and find the information they need quickly. Next, use bullet points. Nothing fancy, just the straight bullet points will work just to organize your information. This help breaks up large blocks of text and makes your resume look more skimmable. Keep in mind, you're not creating a resume for you. You're creating a resume for HR professionals, recruiters, and ATS systems. Employers and recruiters can often scan resumes quickly, and the ATS searches for keywords, which we'll get into later. So this makes it easier for them to see the key points that they're looking for. Tailor your resume for each job search. This is a critical step. Customize your resume by highlighting experiences and skills that are most relevant to the job you're applying for. This shows the employer that you've taken the time to understand the role and how you fit into it. Quantify your achievements. Use numbers to show your impact. For example, instead of saying improve sales, you could say increase sales by 20% over the first 6 months of the year. This provides concrete evidence of your accomplishments in a number format. This one's a little more advanced, but use action words. Words like achieved, managed, and implemented are far more powerful and convey a sense of action and accomplishment. They make your resume more dynamic and more engaging. Finally, incorporate keywords from the job description into your resume. This is very important. Many companies use applicant tracking systems or ATS to screen resumes, and using the right keywords can help your resume get through these systems. Research industry-specific terms and ensure they are naturally included in your resume. We will be releasing another video specifically around this called the ATS Cracker. We're getting you a lot of do's. Here are some don'ts. First, don't include irrelevant information. Your resume should be focused and concise. Avoid adding details that don't directly relate to the job you're applying for. This can make your resume appear cluttered and unfocused. And finally, and I can't stress this enough, don't use an unprofessional email address. Stick to a simple professional email format, first name dot last name at. An unprofessional email address can make a negative impression on employers who may cause them to question your professionalism. That's it for today's video on crafting an impactful resume. Remember to keep it clean and simple. Use bullet points, tailor your resume, quantify your achievements, use action verbs, and incorporate keywords. And, of course, avoid including irrelevant information and an unprofessional email address. Stay tuned for our next video where we'll dive into the importance of resume format. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified about our latest videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next Monday at 5:21 p.m. Don't forget, like, share, and subscribe, and stay tuned for all the career upgrading content that you will need to land your dream job.